It is Wednesday, October 8th, and we have got a bunk bed in place. It has a little bit more work that needs to be done. There's a support that will go in, and of course, there'll be cabinet fronts on the bottom. There'll be the other top of the bunk up there and another cushion, but it is coming along quite nicely. And Cory's laying down on the job, as you can see. All of the extra cushions are over here right now, but he is putting in the other pieces of mahogany that frame out those two panels at the bottom. And he has also been working on this so that our cabinet up here will look more like an antique trunk. There will be a bracket here, and then this will go here, so the bracket will conceal that, and it's gonna allow us to make this look more like a trunk instead of a cabinet, which again goes with all of our creative little theming stuff. And I have been busy cleaning and moving stuff so that we're able to move around in here somewhat. Another thing completed. The couch now has those stained borders on the bamboo woven Bombay-ish. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. October 8th, and it's always an adventure. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.